What if building and managing a professional online store was actually simple? No complicated setups, no endless settings, no technical headaches. Your store is live on EverBee and all your products are already there. Now it's the perfect moment to take a step back and really see what this platform can do. I'm Daniel, and today I want to give you a closer look at EverBee, showing how you can set up and refine your store quickly and explore its features. We will see how everything works behind the scenes. In this video, we are not talking about sales strategies or marketing hacks. We are focusing entirely on the features, the interface, and how EverBee makes managing your store simple and professional. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's start. My friends, EverBee Store is an all-in-one platform designed for creators, makers, and online sellers. It gives you everything you need to launch and manage a store without complicated setups, coding, or extra software. The platform handles all the technical details, while giving you flexibility to customize your shop exactly how you want. You can sell physical products, digital downloads, or memberships all in one place. Everything is connected and optimized, so you can focus on how your store looks and how customers experience it. The goal is simple: make running your store intuitive, professional, and stress-free. Guys, once you log into your store, you'll see all your products on the dashboard. The first step is reviewing your items and making sure everything looks right. Even small adjustments help customers understand your products better and make the store look more professional. Take a few moments here to really look over each product. It sets the tone for the rest of the shop. Mates, EverBee shows all your product details clearly on the dashboard, with titles, pricing, and options like sizes or colors ready to view at a glance. It automatically keeps everything organized and lets you adjust details instantly, making the store look professional without any extra tools. Even small changes are reflected live, so your products always display consistently and match your brand style. Beyond the basics, EverBee gives full control over the appearance of each product page. Backgrounds can be changed, title colors adjusted, and images displayed in different frames or blocks. The platform ensures all these customizations work seamlessly together, keeping the page polished and visually appealing. Every adjustment updates live, so you see exactly how the store will appear to customers, making it easy to create a clean, cohesive, and professional layout. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Folks, now we're looking at the product description page inside the store. The header is fully customizable. You can change colors, adjust fonts, or hide and show elements to match your brand style. The product details section displays everything customers might want to know: price, quantity, and even estimated delivery times. EverBee makes it easy to control what appears here, keeping the page clear, professional, and consistent across all products. Product images can be expanded, framed, or rearranged to show off your items in the best way possible. The platform automatically ensures everything stays aligned and visually appealing, no matter the layout. Below the Add to Cart button, you can add custom messages or tweak the button design to make the page feel polished and complete. Guys, all changes update live, so the page always looks exactly as it will for visitors. EverBee combines flexibility and simplicity here, giving you a product page that's both attractive and easy to read, making your store look professional from every angle. Mates, collections in EverBee make your store look organized and easy to navigate. Each collection can have a clear name, so customers immediately know what's inside. Creating them is really simple. You just pick the products you want, give the collection a name, and EverBee does the rest. You can add products manually for full control or automatically to save time. My friends, even with just a few items, collections create a clean layout and improve browsing. You can also reorder products, highlight certain items, or group them in a way that makes the most important pieces stand out. Collections grow with your store, keeping everything consistent and polished. With EverBee, collections aren't just simple categories. They're a smart way to present your products, keep the pages tidy, and make your store feel professional without any extra hassle. Guys, before going live, you can preview your store right in EverBee. Scroll through the homepage and open product pages to see how everything looks. Check titles, descriptions, prices, and layout elements to make sure they are consistent. You can interact with your store like a customer would. See how products display and how pages flow together. Changes update instantly so you can see everything in real time. This way your store looks polished, works smoothly, and is ready for visitors from day one. Guys, after spending time in EverBee, it's easy to notice how smooth everything runs. The platform keeps all your products, pages, and layouts in one place, making it simple to see the whole store at a glance. Folks, even complex tasks feel easy here. Everything works together, so the store feels professional without extra effort. The interface is clean and intuitive, letting you focus on how your store looks and feels rather than technical steps. With EverBee, launching a store isn't just about getting products online. It's about having a platform that makes everything easy, flexible, and professional right away. From pages to collections to images, it's all connected and works smoothly. Your store feels like a real business from day one. It's a system that's ready from the start, letting you run a polished, functional shop that's prepared for real visitors and sales. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.